Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about namespace and a few other features of C++. Let's start. In programming, we can have the same name for variables, functions, and other things. So to avoid that from happening, we can use a namespace. We're using the standard namespace for our output. Here, std is short for standard. It can be annoying to have to type std before every line, but there's a trick. We can type using namespace std semicolon outside of our main method. This is telling the C++ compiler that just assume everything here is using this namespace, so we no longer have to type this out explicitly, and this will work just the same. Now let's discuss the return 0 statement that we might see at the end of a main method. Programs may calculate or process something and return the result. What you may see this return keyword at the bottom of many functions in C++. This is sometimes referred to as the exit status, means if it runs fine without any errors, it will return 0. And this is like a success status, like saying the program ran fine with 0 errors. However, this is only required in C programs. It is optional in C++. The compiler automatically adds return 0. Let's run the program without return 0 statement, and we got the same result. This output statement here, program ended with exit code 0, indicates no error. If a program wants to indicate there was something wrong when it exited, it will exit with a non-zero value. Lastly, for this video, we are going to discuss comments. Comments are a portion of code that is ignored by the compiler. It's like a note for yourself or for other people reviewing your code to read. It's like a secret message. Here's an example for using a single line comment. Type in 2 forward slashes, which turns color green. We can write a comment here as useful information. If we were to run this program, it's not actually going to display. We can also write a multi-line comment. All text that you want to be included within a multi-line comment should begin with a forward slash followed by an asterisk. You will notice that all this text now became green. We need to type in asterisks and then a forward slash to end our multi-line message. So everything within here will be a comment. Let's run this and all of this will be ignored. It's like a secret message. That's all for now. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.